Today we're going to be making sizzling sausage casserole. We will need
oil, sausages, potatoes, canned tomatoes, butter beans, tomato puree and a chicken stock cube.
You need the oven on 180 degrees. Do you guys have your chopping board? And then you need to cut the potatoes and put them in a pot. And Kitty's peeling them. You need to cut them in cube shapes. And you put them in the oven for you leave them in the pan for 5 minutes. After your potatoes have boiled for 5 minutes, you go and drain them. Are we spreading my water potatoes? And then you leave them until they cool down.
While you wait for your potatoes to cool down, you need to do the sausages. So you need to spread the pan with oil, then you need to put your sausages in.
Shall I do it?
And then you need to stir them until they go brown. Once your sausages have started to go brown, you need to add your ingredients. First, you need to pour in the tomatoes. Then your butter beans. Then 100 milliliters of water. And the chicken stock cube.
you have to boil it for 5 minutes. Where did you know?
Once your sausages have been boiling for 5 minutes, you need to add tomato puree in. 5 big spoonfuls.
Okay, can you get that on my spoon? And then you stir it really good. And then you need to put in the oven with this dish. And then after you put it all in, you put the potatoes on top, but you need to put it all in first. After you put it all in,
And you don't have to worry about if there's just like little bits left in there.
After you put all the sauce in and stuff, you put the potatoes on it.
Do you want me to spray it with some oil?
Yeah, and then you spray the oil after you put all the potatoes on.
Go in the oven.
Yeah, and then you put it in the oven. 180 degrees. Okay. For 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes, your sizzling sausage casserole will be done. Bye. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Bye.